In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Adobe Acrobat Reader, a feature that can transform your PDF reading experience by reducing eye strain and making it easier to read in low light conditions. Whether you're a night owl working late or just someone who prefers a darker screen, this is a handy trick to have up your sleeve. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to have Adobe Acrobat Reader open and ready to go. Locate the PDF you'd like to work with and open it within the app. Once you have your document open, direct your attention to the upper left-hand corner where you'll spot the menu, click on it and a drop-down list will appear. From here, you'll need to select Preferences, which will open up a new window full of settings that you can tweak according to your needs. Next, we're going to zero in on the accessibility category. In this section, you'll find a variety of options aimed at making your PDFs easier and more comfortable to read. Now here's a crucial step. Look for the document colors options area and click the option labeled replace document colors. This is the turning point that allows you to customize the look of your PDFs. Now you have the option to enable high contrast colors. From the options presented, choose use high contrast colors and then set the high contrast color combination to white text on black. This setup will reverse the typical black text on white background to white text on a black background, giving you that classic dark mode look. After you've made those selections, click on OK to apply the changes. For those looking to go a step further into full dark mode, head once again to the menu at the top left corner, click on it and navigate down to View. This will present you with another set of options. Find and click on Display Theme. Now you're almost there, simply select dark grey from the options. This will adjust the user interface of Adobe Acrobat Reader itself and give you a comprehensive dark theme covering the menu, toolbars, and document background. By following these steps, you've effectively enabled dark mode, not just for the document, but for the entire Adobe Acrobat Reader interface. Remember that these settings are adjustable at any time, so you can switch back if necessary. This feature is fantastic for reducing glare and is perfect for when you're reading in environments with dim lighting. Thanks for tuning in, and now you can enjoy your PDFs in dark mode.